Alright, you guys, so I'm going to show you what I've been doing as far as eating better in the breakfast. Unfortunately, I haven't been as great in the past 3 or 4 months. I grocery shop a lot because we like very fresh bread in the morning. I probably should learn how to make it, huh? Fresh bread in the morning, and the people in my household are greedy, so I tend to go to the grocery store literally every 3 days. With that being said, I've been eating donuts and stuff on the whim, so I need to get better about eating breakfast better because that's the first meal of the day, right? So I'm going to make some gluten-free oatmeal with flaxseed, cinnamon, and some raisins. Do that again. Using almond milk. We stopped drinking milk, I would say, almost 2 years ago. So yeah, tend to stick to unsweetened almond milk. All right, so I'm just gonna add some, that's more than enough, oatmeal there, a little bit of cinnamon, this entire package of raisins. Keep in mind, this, I don't know how many calories this has. It has, let me read it off. Yeah, I know it's a lot. Well, actually not that bad, but still about 90 calories, okay? Okay. And then some flaxseed. Flaxseed has omega-3s, great fiber, gluten-free, of course. No salt, no cholesterol. I'm going to do this with my hand because I just don't care. All right. And then going to add some milk. Vanilla unsweetened almond milk, y'all. All right, I have this on low, and in a couple of minutes it will be done, and then I will add the honey. All right, you guys, so here is my oatmeal finished. It smells wonderful. I'm also going to go ahead and drink some lemon water. I'll be the first to admit I am really bad about drinking water. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thank you as always to all of my new subscribers. Bye, y'all.